In this video, you are going to see how to format Motorola mobile phones perfectly in 2026. Follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video so that you don't encounter any issues during the process. First, back up all your data either to the cloud, an external hard disk, or maybe your laptop. Next, open the settings on your Motorola mobile phone, then scroll down and look for the option called System. Then you can see the Reset options. Click on it. From these options, select Erase All Data, also called Factory Reset. It shows the list of accounts that you signed into on this mobile phone, which are going to be erased once you start this process. Once you confirm, click on Erase All Data at the bottom. Then a new window will open. Here also select Erase All Data at the bottom. In case you added any fingerprint or password, it will ask you to confirm it. Once it is done, the mobile phone will automatically restart. This time, you do not need to press any buttons. Just keep the phone idle. It takes some time to complete the process. That's it, guys. This is how you can format your Motorola mobile phone perfectly in 2026. If you want to know how to set up a Motorola mobile phone without ads, I already uploaded a video about that. You can check the links in the description as well as in the iCards.